my head, and then that's the time when it came off.
Really? Can you show me?
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Nakakatuwa ang ibinahagi ni Ellen Adarna sa kanyang social media account ang ilan sa mga moments kasama nga niya at kausap ang kanyang panganay na si Elias Modesto. Ito nga ay nang matanggal na ang front tooth ni Elias at talaga namang mangiyak-ngiyak nga siya sa kanyang mama Ellen at sinasabi nga na mag-pray na nga daw sila kay Tooth Fairy para mapalitan kaagad ang kanyang ngipin at para na rin mabigyan nga siya ng kapalit na pesos at dollars ng ngipin na nawala. Natanggal nga daw ang ngipin ni Elias habang sila nga ay naglalaro ng kanyang papa D ng wrestling at accidentally ay natanggal nga ang ngipin at nakakatuwa nga daw dahil napalibre na nga daw sila sa dentist. Pero meron nga 1,500 na iniligay kapalit nga ng kanyang ngipin. Na talaga namang kinatuwaan nga ng mga netizens at napasabing sana all may 1,500 kapalit nga ng ngipin. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi.
Wrestling.
What did you do?
Me and Papa D went wrestling, and then he my head, and then that's the time when it came off.
Really? Can you show me?
There. You can see that, right?
Did it hurt?
Just kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah.
But you thought you swallowed your tooth.
Yeah, I thought that would be dangerous.
Dangerous.
Wrestling.
What did you do?
Me and Papa.
It's very small. When you were
It's your skin so that they can so that they can tell. I'll go first.
Oh, you're doing good. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Papadian you together. Go.
1, 2.
Oh wait.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Papadi doesn't do it.
Okay.
Open lang like this. Open
Okay,
lang.
There's also here. There's also that.
Oh, there's nothing na.
Okay, soft lang daw. Soft lang.
She's cleaning lang the back because
Just
it's
cleaning ka. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Good job.
Done.
See, Daddy's done na din.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!